Hello and welcome to Studio Book, and thank you so much for joining me for this very special course, Master the Garden Rose. I've spent the better part of a year making over 200 roses to come up with a design to ensure success for you, to create the more realistic and organic looking rose. We'll be using some coloring techniques to create this variation and detail that you see here in these rose petals to create a very realistic looking garden rose. We'll also be focusing on the back side of the rose and learning techniques to create a compact, neat, and tidy and professional finish. So have a look at the materials list. Make sure you have everything on hand and you're ready to get started, and I'll see you in the studio.